Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news tensions are spilling out in China over their struggling property development and shadow banking industries. But first, US mortgage applications slipped yet again last week, the fourth week that's in a row that's done that. And that was undoubtedly because mortgage interest rates rose yet again, with their benchmark 30-year rate now at 7.16% plus points, and back to matching its October 22 highs. Prior to that, you have to go back more than 20 years to find a higher level. US housing starts, however, bounced back in July from their disappointing June levels with a better result than anticipated, and Canadian housing starts came in at a good level too in July. American industrial production rose unexpectedly in July from June, but is virtually unchanged from a year ago. But other than construction, it would have been a healthy gain. And the US Fed FOMC July meeting minutes were released earlier today, and they showed most voting members continue to see significant upside risk to American inflation, which could require further tightening of monetary policy. However, there were a couple that cited the risk to the economy of pushing rates up too fast. China's new home prices fell in July from a year ago, and from a month ago they were unchanged. But in their largest 70 cities, prices for second-hand homes are falling in 65 of them, and in the same month a year ago, and that's at a faster pace. The pressure is on their residential housing market in a way that makes property development a losing proposition there. And investors in their retreating shadow bank funds industry are not happy again. We're getting reports a very small group have taken to the streets in protest at the situation. A brave thing to do in China, but a sign of how desperate some of them feel. Analysts are marking down China's GDP growth for 2023 now. They will struggle to get anywhere near their about 5.5% target. The US Treasury 10-year yield will start today at 4.27% and up 5 basis points from yesterday, and now at a 16-year high. And the price of gold will start today at $1,898, and that's down $5 from yesterday. And oil prices are down $1 at $79.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is down to $83.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today soft at just on 59.4 US cents, down 20 basis points and near its lowest since November 2022. Against the Aussie, we're a little firmer at 92.4 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're marginally softer at 54.6 euro cents. That all means our trade weight index is now at 68.5 and down 10 basis points from this time yesterday. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.